Hello, my name is Shoko TO. I am a university student, Department of Biomedical Sciences, College of Life Sciences, Ritsumeikan University. Today's math theme is Usefulness of Handwriting, Rhythm of Characters. First, introduction. Maybe you have seen the site like this movie at the university. Actually, after I became a university student, I came to use a computer every day to study. At the same time, I hardly use a pen to write sentences. And I often forget many Chinese characters to write by handwriting. Now even primary school children are using computer to study in their school. I wonder that the children can write letters correctly. Through my life as a student, I studied many subjects by writing with pencils. And sometimes I think handwriting is superior to typing in some scenes. This is because handwriting has three merits. First, we can easily to establish something as a memory. Second, we can easily to associate an idea to write just we think. Third, we can easily to arrange some ideas by writing. So, today's my aim is here. In this time, I want teachers tell their students the importance of using handwriting and typing properly. Then I think I have to show the effect of handwriting for our brain. So in this time, I think the reason which makes handwriting merits is that the rhythm and feelings of letters and fingers movement. So today I researched it. First, I talk about brain's activity when we use computer. Picture 1 is that we compare the brain's activity between to use computer and handwriting. Red color shows us active area, and blue and white areas show inactive area. As you can see, handwriting is more activate our brain than using computer. This is because typing is simple exercise of finger, just to push the keyboard. And it does not need to recognize the space and rhythm. So when we type some sentences, we do not use our brain more actively than handwriting. On the other hand, handwriting is actually activated our brain. In my insight, I think the reason is letters, rhythm, and feelings. And exactly the rhythm and feelings related with our brain's activity. Printing type is actually easy to read, but handwriting has the information, movement, and depth. And handwriting needs careful exercise of finger. Such careful movement is accompanied space recognition and rhythm with our thought. So I can say that handwriting and typing are completely different activity for our brain, and handwriting gives us more information for our brain than typing. By the way, this effect is different with style of handwriting. The block letter is recognized as a symbol for our brain, and the cursive letter gives us more information, careful movement, rhythm, and space recognition than block letter. It is same on Japanese. In the Edo period, Japanese students learn something with writing semi-cursive letter. Semi-cursive letter have both of characters, cursive and block style, so I can say that Japanese people have used the letter for studying to activate our brain since 600 years ago, surprisingly. Therefore, there are relationships among our brain and letters of handwriting and rhythm and feelings. But through my research, there are the other reason to be activate our brain by handwriting. That's the difference of process to write between handwriting and typing. In typing, there are 3 steps to write a sentences. First, we make a sentence. Second, we type it with keyboard. Third, we check it by sight. On the other hand, there are 6 steps in handwriting. First, we make a sentence. Second, we change it into letters. Third, we change it into movement of hand. Next, we move our hand with pen. On the same time, we chase the movement with our eyes. Next, we check the letters by sight. As you can see, handwriting needs more process to write a sentence. So I can say that handwriting is more complex exercise than typing for our brain. This is a movie to show us the difference of activity of brain between handwriting and typing.
例えば、話をしようとすると、大脳皮質の言語野の血流が活発となり、血液が供給されるが、話をする意思がないときには血流が鈍ってくる。この変化を測定することで、被験者の意思を知る手がかりとなる。文字を手書きする場合とキーボードを使う場合で、脳の働きがどう違うのかを光トポグラフィーを使って比較してみた。手書きの場合、脳が活発に働いて血流を示す赤い部分が濃くなるのがわかる。しかし、キーボードで打つと反応が鈍い。
From these facts, I can say 2 things. The first is the more processes are more activated our brain in handwriting. And second, there are the areas which are activated by only handwriting. So actually handwriting is more activate our brain than typing, and then more elements are related in handwriting than typing. In addition, handwriting have the merits in making ideas. Now I want to show the experiment to research the fact. The theme is to make ideas about new techniques of tennis. First, we use sketchbook with handwriting, 1 minute 40 seconds. After the breaking time, we use computer with typing, 1 minute 40 seconds. The result of subject's memo is here. In handwriting, to write the idea just to come to mind, and after 30 seconds, the ideas are easy to come to mind, and the time is up to write 2 ideas. On the other hand, typing to write the ideas as a sentences, and he stopped thinking the ideas to focus on typing, and he writes just 2 sentences, and it is not idea but points. As you can see, handwriting is better to make ideas than typing. And on the same time, they research subject's brain with light topography. Then, his prefrontal area is more activated by handwriting than typing. Prefrontal area is one of cerebral parts and to control our memories and attentions and thinking and so on. So it is called headquarters of brain. Scientifically, handwriting is better to make ideas than computer. Next conclusion. Handwriting is better for our brain than typing. In detail, typing is simple exercise without including information, space recognition, and rhythm, and it consists only three steps. On the other hand, handwriting is complex exercise for our brain with including the information, rhythm, and space recognition, and it consists of 6 steps. In addition, the letters itself have the information, depth, and careful movement and rhythm few in printing type. And in making idea, our prefrontal area is activated by handwriting than typing. So handwriting suits us not only to write sentences, but also to associate to and to arrange some ideas. So I want to say it is not good to take in computer everywhere of studying. It is the most important thing that we use computer properly according to the scene of studying. So I want to say for some teachers, they should tell their students the facts before students cannot write Chinese characters by their pencils. Thank you.